there's a particular charm to starting your own business. It's a journey filled with discovery, growth, and a dash of adventure. For many, forming a limited liability company, or LLC, becomes the backbone of this adventure. And today, we are going to walk you through the key requirements for forming an LLC. But before we begin, please give this video a like, press the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can stay in the loop about crucial information that can benefit your business. Step 1 to form an LLC involves choosing a unique name for your LLC. Your business name not only defines your brand, it also needs to be distinct from any other LLCs registered in your state. It must typically end with an LLC designation. The next step is to file the Articles of Organization. This is a formal document that legally creates your LLC. It typically includes your LLC's name, its purpose, and the details of its owners, known as members. Step 3 is to appoint a registered agent. This is a person or business entity authorized to receive legal documents on behalf of your LLC. They must have a physical street address in the state where your business is registered. Our own organization can provide you with a top-rated registered agent service today. In fact, we are standing by to take care of every LLC formation step mentioned in this video on your behalf. Next, you will need to create an operating agreement. Though not always legally required, it's an essential internal document. It outlines how your LLC will be run, including member roles, voting rights, and distribution of profits and losses. Step 5 involves obtaining an EIN. That's an IRS Employer Identification Number. This is essential for tax purposes, especially if you have employees. And finally, the last step is to comply with other tax and regulatory requirements. These vary from state to state, so it's important to research the specific rules for your business location. While these steps might seem complicated, the benefits often outweigh the initial legwork. The number of LLCs has grown by about 5% per year since 2010, showing that more and more people are turning their entrepreneurial dreams into reality. Take these steps to heart, apply them to your business, and you'll be on your way to turning your own entrepreneurial vision into a reality. If you need help forming your LLC, please visit legalregistration.com. Or you can call our business formation team right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about the requirements of forming an LLC? Does the process seem simple or complicated? Leave your comment below and let us know what you think. Please also don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can keep up with important business registration information.